Good morning students and dear parents. Welcome to UKG English vocabulary class. Children, let's begin with the first topic. Here 20 words are given. We will learn how to pronounce these words. Children, first I will say the word and you will repeat after me. Knife, K-N-I-F-E. Button, B-U-T-T-O-N. Clock, C-L-O-C-K. Woman, W-O-M-A-N. Next, farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R. Picture, P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Children, first we say the word, then we spell it. Picture, P-E-A-C-H-E-R. Drawer, D-R-A-W-E-R. Stick, S-T-I-C-K. Shirt, S-H-I-R-T. Next, bicycle, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Saucer, S-A-U-C-E-R. Teapot, T-E-A-P-O-T. Street, S-T-R-E-E-T. Window, W-I-N-D-O-W. Towel, T-O-W-E-L. Tablecloth, T-A-B-L-E-C-L-O-T-H. Sweet, S-W-E-E-T. Chair, C-H-A-I-R. Bowl, B-O-W-L. The children, the same way you will learn the spelling from your spelling list. Now moving on to our next topic, dictation unseen. In dictation unseen, the sentences will be asked from anywhere, not from your active English book. Your teacher will call out each sentence thrice. In the first time, you will listen to the sentence very carefully. The second time, you will write it down. And the third time, you will check what you have written. Now let's begin. Number 1. A cow is a domestic animal. A cow is a domestic animal. This is the second time, so you will write. Children, always remember to begin a sentence with a capital letter. And end with a full stop. A cow is a domestic animal. This is the third time. So you will check what you have written. A cow is a domestic animal. Number 2. That is a tree. That is a tree. Full stop. That is a tree. Third time you will check. That is a tree. Number 3. The color of milk is white. The color of milk is white. Now you will write. Full stop. The color of milk is white. Now you will check. The color of milk is white. Fourth number. A mango is yellow. A mango is yellow. Now you will write. Full stop. A mango is yellow. This is the third time. So you will check. Mango is yellow. Number 5. A bear is a white animal. A bear is a white animal. This is the second time, so you will write. Full stop. A bear is a wild animal. This is the third time, so you will check. Bear is a wild animal. Next, the cow gives us milk. The cow gives us milk. The second time, you will write. Full stop. The cow gives us milk. The third time you will check. The cow gives us milk. Number 7. A monkey lives on the tree. A monkey lives on the tree. Second time you will write it down. Full stop. A monkey lives on the tree. The third time you will check. Monkey lives on the tree. Now next number. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. The second time you will write it down. Full stop. The sky is blue. Now you will check. The sky is blue. Number 9. The ruler is small. The ruler is small. The second time you will write. Full stop. The third time, the ruler is small. Now you will check. The ruler is small. Number 10. A dog is a pet animal. A dog is a pet animal. Now children, you will write it down. Full stop. A dog is a pet animal. This is the third time, so you will check what you have written. A dog is a pet animal. So children, the same way you will practice. Moving on to our next topic, choose the correct answer. Children, here in each question, 4 options are given. Out of these 4 options, only one option is correct. Children, what is this? Yes, pencil. What is the correct spelling of pencil? Is it P-A-N-C-I-L? No. Is it P-N-E-C-I-L? No. Is it P-E-N-C-E-L? No. Is it P-E-N-C-I-L? Yes. So you will put a tick mark over here. Now next, select the word with the correct spelling. What is this, children? Yes, this is a picture. Can you tell me what is the correct spelling of picture? Is it P-I-C-T-R-E? No. Is it P-I-C-T-U-R-E? Yes. So what we will do? We will put a tick mark here. Next, number 3, jumbled words. Children, here words are jumbled. You have to choose the correct spelling. Now, N-I-K-E-F. Is it correct? No. I-K-N-E-F. Is it correct? No. K-N-I-F-E. Yes. This is a correct word and meaningful. Knife. So, what we will do, children? We will put a tick mark over here. Moving on to our next topic, jumbled words. Children, as you can see here, all the letters are jumbled. So, what we have to do? We have to rearrange these letters to form a meaningful word. Now, we have to begin the word with underlined letter. Which letter is underlined? Yes, T. Now, which word can it be? Yes, teapot. T-E-A-P-O-T. Next, S is underlined. So, you will begin the word with letter S. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Next, Now you will begin the word with letter U. Umbrella. M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Now, which letter is underlined, children? Yes, T. Now, which word can it be? Yes, telephone. T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E. Here, you will begin the word with letter S. Which word is this, children? Yes, shop. S-H-O-P. Next, which letter is underlined here? F. So you will begin the word with letter F. Now you think of some words beginning with letter F. Yes, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. So children, I hope all these topics are clear to you. The worksheets related to these topics will be uploaded on your school website. Kindly go through them and practice well. Thank you and have a nice day.